Have you ever wondered how to make $10,000 as a student? Doubtless it sounds like an ambitious goal, but it's far from impossible. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind this financial feat. First things first, we need to address the concept of time management. As a student, your most valuable asset is time. Balancing academics, extracurricular activities, and a part-time job can be challenging. However, with proper planning and organization, you can effectively juggle these responsibilities. Remember, it's about working smarter, not harder. Next, let's talk about honing a skill or talent. This could be anything from graphic design, coding, tutoring, or even dog walking. The key here is to identify something you're good at, enjoy doing, and that people are willing to pay for. This skill will essentially become your ticket to earning that $10,000. Once you've identified your skill, it's time to market yourself. Create a portfolio showcasing your work. Use social media platforms to reach potential clients. Word of mouth is powerful, so don't shy away from asking satisfied customers to spread the word about your services. Now, on to the subject of saving. It's not just about how much you earn, but also how much you save. Cultivate the habit of saving a portion of your earnings. This will not only help you reach your goal faster, but also instill financial discipline, which is a valuable life skill. The final strategy involves investing. With numerous apps and platforms available today, you can start investing with as little as $25. It's a great way to grow your money over time. However, remember to do your research and understand the risks before jumping in. In summary, making $10,000 as a student involves a blend of time management, skill monetization, marketing, saving, and investing. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a structured approach that requires dedication, discipline, and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to make $10,000 as a student. It's time to stop dreaming about financial independence and start making it a reality. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Take that step today and who knows, you might just find yourself $10,000 richer.